Okay, so I'm going on my second Lefree Garden Hose. First time was a 100-footer. All right, this is a 25-footer. It also has a 50-footer or a 125-footer. And right off the bat, the reason I like these is because they don't kink. They also made them out of this nano rubber, so it doesn't leak. So I don't have to worry about wasting water. I do landscaping, so I'm not afraid of cars driving over this at all. It's not a problem. Then the price of hose is crazy these days. So, yeah. And then just so you know, what it comes with here is this nice sprayer nozzle sprayer. It's got all the different options here. Okay, so it comes with that. And then it comes with this hose holder. All right. And what I like about this is, yeah, you can screw it into the house just with that right there, that little insert. Or it's nice and wide here where you can place it over the hose bib. So that's a nice option they put there. All right, so it comes with that. And then they also come with this warranty. Nice lifetime warranty. So there you go. You get all that stuff. And yeah, it's only a couple pounds. Doesn't weigh much. So that's nice for a lot of people. So 2 thumbs up for the Lefree Garden Hose.